GE dishwasher, tenant complaint after full cycle. This is still very dirty. Possible cause: spray arm is clogged or circulation pump is blocked. And this time, the problem is in the circulation pump. It's blocked with the hair, with the lint, and the plastic. So it is very important that when you're doing your dishes, you have to regularly cleaning your filter and pre-wash your plate. And if you have a new plate, you have to remove all the sticker in the bottom that cause the clog. And I will show you the motor should look like. Should be like this, clean, no clog, no nothing inside the motor, the propeller, so that it will circulate properly. To be honest, this one is very hard to remove and to install. These prongs, if you break that one, you have to replace the motor, so be careful. And now I have to install the electrical and the water supply. And test the machine. And you have to check the bottom if there's any leak. Make sure that it's properly connected. So now you can hear the water distribution and spraying even. Now I'm going to secure the dishwasher, putting back the 2 screws to avoid the dishwasher from moving in and out. Dishwasher fix.